Keep your tasks clear, detailed, and easy to understand for everyone. With Jotform Boards, you can add rich descriptions so your team always has the full context they need, all in one place. I'm Penny with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to add descriptions to tasks in Jotform Boards. Let's get started. First, go to your workspace and click the Create button in the top left. Select Board. Choose Use Template. Search for and select the Monthly Budget template. Click Use Template to create your board. This is your main dashboard where all your tasks and workflows are organized in one place. Tasks are structured into columns, helping you track progress across your budgeting workflow. You can add tasks, move them across columns, and update details as work progresses. At the top, you'll find search and filter options to quickly locate tasks. Now, let's open a task to add more detailed context. Click on a card like Prepare Monthly Report. This is the task detail view, where you can manage everything related to that item. At the top, you can navigate between tasks and access options like Add Cover, Add Checklist, and Task Fields. The main section shows details like the task title, assignee, priority, due date, and tags. Below this, you'll find the Description field. Here you can add detailed instructions, notes, or background information for the task. For example, it says, compile all financial data into a comprehensive monthly report for review. Then expand it with more context, like, this is a recurring task and must be completed monthly. It will be shared with the team on the first Monday of each month. Format this content using rich text. You can format the text to be bold, add bullet points, or even links to make it easier to read and follow. This helps break down complex information into clear, structured content. You can enter descriptions manually for full flexibility, or automatically populate them from connected form responses. This ensures your task details stay accurate, consistent, and free from duplication. By keeping all instructions and context directly within the task, everything stays in one central place. This means your team doesn't need to search through emails, documents, or external tools to find key information. Clear, detailed descriptions reduce back and forth questions and confusion. This helps your team act faster and with more confidence when completing tasks. With everything clearly documented, execution becomes smoother and more reliable. And that's how you can add rich descriptions to tasks in Jotform Boards. Keep your tasks clear, organized, and easy to execute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.